This is Wes from Summerset Grills, affectionately known as the Grillin' Villain, and it's Food Fridays. Today we're cooking up some apple cider glazed Iowa pork chops, and we're going to be cooking on the American Muscle Grill 36. I'm cooking on some red oak from Central California and some lump coal today. In preparation of our pork chops today, we're going to do a glaze, and we're also going to do a dry rub. Our glaze is going to incorporate some apple cider, some maple syrup, some Grey Poupon, and some chili pepper. Over here, we're going to do our dry rub. We're going to use a couple ounces of olive oil, some brown sugar, some garlic powder, and some chili powder. We're going to mix that up. We're going to throw that on as a dry rub. And these flies, we're going to go ahead and cook them as well. They're Orange County flies. They taste pretty good when you grill them up. Okay, we're going to go ahead and mix our glaze up. We're going to go ahead and put our maple syrup in our saucepan. We're going to go ahead and put our mustard, dry poupon, in our saucepan. We're going to go ahead and put our chili powder in. I'm going to throw the apple cider over the top. We're going to mix this up. I'm going to go ahead and heat it on the American Muscle Grill. I got my coals where I want them. So we'll start that. Okay, I'm going to prepare our dry rub today. We're going to put in some brown sugar. We're going to put in some garlic powder, some chili powder, and a little olive oil here, a couple ounces. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. This is going to act as our dry rub that we're going to put on our pork chops before we throw them on our open fire. It's a little nice, crummy. It'll stick to our pork chops. We'll be able to turn them over without losing a lot of this in the grates. So there we go with our dry rub. Let's add one more thing. We'll just add a little shot of salt, a little shot of pepper. I'm going to go ahead and put my dry rub on my pork chops. I'm just going to go ahead and just tap them, make sure there's no any oils or anything like that. Make sure our rub's going to stick to it a little better when we're throwing it over the grates. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. A little bit on each one. Move it in there, kind of hand pack it, makes them extra good. I'm going to flip them over. Do the same thing on this side. There we go. Okay, I'm going to place the pork chops on the American Muscle Grill. Again, we're cooking on open fire. There we go. Pork chops, lump coal, red oak. Right now I'm throwing some glaze on the pork chops. We're exposing them to some open flame. Get a little burn, some char marks on them. Okay, we're going to cut up some apples here. I'm going to throw these face down on the grill. Pretty good. We're gonna pull our pork chops off the American Muscle Grill right now. I can tell they've been on there about 12 minutes. We've continually flipped them and glazed them with our glaze that we made earlier. I'm gonna set this on here. We're gonna put on these apples that we put on, kind of get some nice char on them, some nice flavors, some color. Set them on there like that. And there we have it. Okay, so what we have today for Food Friday is we have our Iowa pork chops with our apple cider glazed topping and our apples. We've cooked them for about 10 to 12 minutes. We've turned them over. We've added our glaze to it. We are pairing our apple cider glazed pork chops today with Spike Sparkling Seltzer. This is a cranberry lime mixture from Smirnoff. Okay, we're gonna give away a free t-shirt to the first person that cooks it, plates it, posts it, and tags Summerset Grills on Instagram. Cook it, plate it, post it. Funnest time of the whole day is when I get to eat the foods I've prepared. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this cider glazed pork chop. We're gonna cut a little bit of this up and we're gonna try it right in front of you. Cut it out. Happy grilling.